morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Javier?
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
A series of strong US economic data releases has helped ease worries of a recession, but with inflation still above the Fed's target, some investors are worried that the US central banks will keep interest rates at elevated levels for longer. Bitcoin mining revenue, or hash price, has slumped to levels not seen since the collapse of FTX in November 2022. While hash rate has reached new highs, the peak has seen network hash rates surging 54% from what it was at the beginning of 2023 and 80% over the past 12 months. In M1. A series of strong US economic data releases has helped ease worries of a recession, but with inflation still above the Fed's target, some investors are worried that the US central banks will keep interest rates at elevated levels for longer. In M2. Europe's benchmark Stoxx 600 clocked its best one-day performance in a month in an overall market advance, boosted by China-exposed industrials on Beijing's measures to aid its ailing stock market. In M3. The dollar eased from a 12-week peak as traders weighed the US monetary path after Fed Chair Jerome Powell left open the possibility of further interest rate increase. Chinese automaker BYD said its electronics unit had struck a deal with US-based manufacturer Jabil to buy its mobile electronics manufacturing business in China for $2.2 billion.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US JOLTS job openings at 1400 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Spain's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The French consumer confidence at 0645 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.